Pratik, now important is both the candidates. Beta, I'm clear and loud to you guys.
Yes, ma'am, you're very clear and loud.
Okay, perfectly. Okay, so it's important we understand your profile before suggesting you some options. So please note down there are four important categories. The first is with your academic credentials. So when I say academic credentials, it starts with your 10th class. So your 10th class course, your 12th class course, along with year of passing and name of institution, important, okay? And second option is about your extracurricular activities. So always remember, academics is something which every candidate is having, but profile is something, your extra certifications. So it can be your music, your dance, your debate, your sports, anything. You're working with some organization or maybe some internship or some online certifications. So it's important to focus that way as well. And number three is your family and your siblings. So when I say family and siblings, we mean to say your own like parents and your brothers sisters, where exactly they're engaged. And last but not the least, with your BTech program, 4 years down the line, where do you see yourself and what specialization you guys are focusing? So, Pratik, it's important before we pen down their specifications, you explain them the process because I'm just facing some audio difficulty. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes. So
Okay,
just explain them the process. It's important they should be aware of the process.
okay,
Then I'll have the communication. Okay.
okay.
Good morning, Rekha ji. Sorry, there was some network problem at my end. We had some new cabling done yesterday in Vasant Kunj in my area, so some cabling problem was there. A very good morning to you, ma'am.
Very, very good morning, Manchandra ji. Good to see you. Manchandra ji, please interact with the candidates.
Yes, I started to track with them. Then this network problem happened, so I had to ask somebody to just to connect that cable, the new cable that has come in. So that modem was not connected properly. So that's the problem. So this is technology, it happens. So very happy. Good morning to both my young friends Jaspreet and Anshita. अभी मैंने in fact बात शुरू ही की थी. Then this network problem happened. So I'm very happy that both of you are here today. I am Professor Bhushan Manchanda. I am a professor of management studies in Indraprasth University, Delhi, in one of their premier colleges. I'm head of the BBA department, Bachelor's of Business Administration. I don't handle BTech. That's not my cup of tea. So, Anshita and Jaspreet, am I audible to you? Both of you?
Sir.
Good. Anshita, ये बताओ, are you from Delhi or outside Delhi?
I'm from Lucknow.
Oh, Lucknow, great. लखनऊ की तो बात ही अलग है, जो लखनऊ की तहजीब होती है, जो उनका करने का तरीका होता है, वो तो अलग तरह का ही है. जसप्रीत, आप कहाँ से हो बेटा?
So same from Lucknow.
कहाँ से?
So Lucknow, me too.
वो आप भी लखनऊ के हो? My God.
Yeah.
So we got a Lucknowi Nawab out there. Okay, very, very happy to meet all of you on this Zoom session. Beta, I am from Delhi. Indraprasth University, as you know, is a Delhi state government university, and I am operating from Delhi. I stay in Vasant Kunj in New Delhi, and as you can see, I'm working from home. This is my house. You can see I have got a workstation here. I work from home because the college is closed. My college is closed, and the university is closed. So I conduct lessons and classes for my students through the Zoom session only, like I'm interacting with you. I'm very happy that both of you have selected BTech. Take it from me, though I'm a MBA from FMSDU, and I worked for 30 years in the corporate organizations, and then last 10 years I've been a teacher. I can say for sure that this is the day or this is the time for BTech, and I'll give you two reasons why before Pratik takes forward the next part of the session. बेटे, आपको पता है कि are you aware, Anshita and Jaspreet, that the iPhone 11 was launched in our country about 15 days back? नया फोन यहाँ इंडिया में लॉन्च हुआ है. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Same somewhere.
Okay. Now, beta, what's happening now due to the problem we had with China on the 15th of June and at the Galwan Valley, the Ladakh area, and there Chinese are not people to be trusted. We trusted them, and they stabbed us in the back. So our Prime Minister Modi ji has rightly ensured that we do not depend on China or any outside country. The new slogan of Atmanirbhar Bharat, you are aware of that.
Yes.
And on 15th of August, लाल किला में जो उन्होंने हमें बोला है कि we'll make not only for India, we'll make for the world. So now what's happening, Anshita and Jaspreet, that lot of very big companies are pulling out their manufacturing bases out of China. People, they don't trust China now. China was the creator of the virus. The virus, the disease was there in the country for 2 months. They never informed anybody. And people were going to China and people were moving out of China. And then this pandemic happened. So what's happening now is all those companies that are moving out, they're setting up manufacturing bases outside China. And one of their favorite destinations is India. You'll see that 3 contract manufacturers of iPhone, they set up manufacturing bases in China. And from China, they've moved to India. You can see on Google also, they've already moved to India and manufacturing has taken place. One is Visitron, the second is Foxconn, the third is Pegatron. You can check out. Now, in the next 2-3 years, what's going to happen, my young friends, that 50% of all iPhones made in the world will be produced in China, would be produced in India, sorry. I correct myself, produced in India. And there'll be the local जो demand होगी, जो यहाँ पे iPhone की demand होगी, यहाँ पे लोग खरीदेंगे और जो surplus होगा वो export करेंगे. Samsung mobile phones, they're already there in India. They're being made in Uttar Pradesh. They've got a very, very big factory. उन्होंने कम से कम 50,000 करोड़ वहाँ invest किया हुआ है. एक नई factory Samsung भी लगा रही है mobile phones की. वो भी उत्तर प्रदेश में और जो उनके पास जगह है वहाँ पे लगाना शुरू कर दिया उन्होंने. Panasonic also moving here. Mitsubishi setting up their plant here. A large number of big pharmaceutical companies are moving to India. और आप देखिएगा, आपने अगर पढ़ा होगा, पुणे में एक कंपनी है, उसका नाम है Serum Institute of India. ये गूगल कर लीजिएगा. They're going to make vaccine for COVID-19 by December, and the world's largest manufacturer of, vaccines is India. So when all these changes are happening, when you pass out with your engineering degree after 4 years, you will be in a very, very comfortable position as far as placement packages are concerned, as far as employment is concerned. अभी 1 साल तो दिक्कत होगी जरूर, पर 1 साल आप फिक्र नहीं कीजिए, आप पढ़ाई कीजिए अपनी. जैसे मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को भी कहता हूँ, पढ़ाई कीजिए, अपस्किलिंग कीजिए, अच्छे कॉलेज से अच्छा कोर्स कीजिए, और 4 साल के बाद आप देखना बेटा कि क्या होने वाला है. You will be engineers, working in the best of companies, getting a good placement packages, and sky would be the limit for you. And take it from a teacher and take it from a person who's worked in the corporate area also. When I left the corporate profession 10 years back, I was general manager in a very big company, looking after marketing and sales on an alternate basis. So I know, I've hired people also, I've seen how the growth has taken place. And this, according to me, is the right time for you to and get into a very good big BTech college. Don't compromise on the branding or the type of college. Don't join a third-rate college, please. Join a college that has got good teaching, good teachers, good teaching pedagogy, good infrastructure, good laboratories, and also a very good alumni network. अगर उसके जो पुराने स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो वहाँ से कॉलेज से निकल के गए हैं, अच्छी अच्छी कंपनियों में काम कर रहे हैं, मैनेजर्स हैं, अच्छी इंजीनियर्स हैं, तो आपका आगे ग्रोथ ज़्यादा हो सकता है, क्योंकि आपके एलुमनाई जो है आपके काम आएगी. और ऐसे अच्छे कॉलेज जो हैं, फिर उस अच्छे कॉलेज में अच्छी कंपनियां आती हैं प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव्स के लिए, अच्छा प्लेसमेंट पैकेज देती हैं, कॉम्पोजिशन पैकेज अच्छा होता है. अंशिता, आप अंडरस्टैंड करो. जसप्रीत बेटे, समझ आ रहा है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको?
Yes, sir.
और मैं आपसे जो बात करूं बेटे, आई एम नॉट स्पीकिंग ऑन अ थ्योरेटिकल लेवल, बिकॉज मेरे जो कॉलेज का जो प्लेसमेंट सेल है, मेरे बीबीए स्टूडेंट्स का, बैचलर बिजनेस, आई एम हेडिंग द प्लेसमेंट सेल. और मेरे जो 200 बच्चे थे फाइनल ईयर के, उसमें से 119 बच्चों को ऑलरेडी प्लेसमेंट हो गया है. उनको एलओआईज मिल गए हैं, लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट. दे जॉइनिंग कंपनी लाइक अमेजॉन, विप्रो, आरबीएस रॉयल बैंक ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड, गूगल. ऐसी कंपनी हमारे कॉलेज में आती है. जिस कॉलेज का मैं हेड ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स हूँ और एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज हूँ, और प्लेसमेंट सेल का मैं हेड हूँ मैं. सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग, आई एम टॉकिंग टू फ्रॉम माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस एंड माय नॉलेज, दैट प्लीज जॉइन अ गुड बीटेक कॉलेज. प्रतीक विल गिव यू ऑल द ऑप्शंस. और प्लीज एक नोटबुक और एक पेंसिल साथ में रखिएगा, सो साथ साथ आप नोट करते जाइएगा और कॉम्प्रोमाइज में करना. अभी आपको अगर मौका मिलता है बेटे, ज्वाइन कर लो. आगे जेई वगैरह के लिए वेट नहीं करना. एंड देयर इज अ वेरी ओल्ड सेइंग, a bird in hand is better than two in the bush. अगर आपको आज एडमिशन मिल रही है, प्लीज ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. और मैं एक कंपनी में HR मैनेजर भी रह चुका हूँ बिफोर आई शिफ्टेड टू मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स. बेटे आपके एजुकेशन प्रोफाइल में, आपके CV में, एजुकेशन हिस्ट्री में बिल्कुल गैप नहीं आना चाहिए. अभी आपने 2020 में आपने 12th पास किया है और 2020 में ही आपकी इंजीनियरिंग बीटेक डिग्री शुरू हो जानी चाहिए, कोर्स शुरू हो जाना चाहिए. गैप नहीं बिल्कुल लाना बेटा, बिल्कुल गैप नहीं लाना. It will be a negative mark on your CV. And a lot of companies see this. I used to see that कि अगर उसने बीच में 1 या 2 साल का गैप किया, क्यों गैप था? या तो निकम्मा बच्चा था, या पढ़ाई नहीं करना चाहता था, या फेलियर था, क्या चीज़ थी उसमें, कमी क्या थी? आप में ये नहीं लाना बेटा. ये तो माथे में लकीर पड़ जाती है कि मेरा 1 साल का गैप था एजुकेशन में, ये नहीं लाना आपने. ओके, so I'll request Prateek now to take this counseling session further, and hopefully we can guide both Anshita and Jasprit to get into a very good BTech college. And take it from me, direct admission group has been there for the last 10-12 years. I know them for the last 3-4 months because 3 of my BBA students were helped by this company, Ms. Rekha Tiwari, जो अभी बात करी थी, to get very good offer letters from MBA colleges, the best of MBA colleges. SPM Global में एक लड़की का हुआ है, दूसरे का IFIM बैंगलोर में हुआ है MBA का, और तीसरे का IMI में, और तीनों बहुत ही अच्छे MBA colleges हैं. So don't worry, we'll help you for BTech also. So Prateek, if you can just take over this second part of the session, and thank you very much for this inviting me for this session today. Thank you, Prateek. Take over.
For sure, sir, for sure. I just want to, ask Rekha ma'am that if she wants to continue with the session, or I tell the clients about the process. Rekha ma'am, am I audible?
Prateek, it's important. Make them out.
Okay, ma'am.